Hello everyone, my name is Raisa Verina with NPM 231101113. For the consumer behavior midterm, I want to present you about analysis of consumer attitudes in Miniso x Disney collaboration. So the first one is the background. Understanding consumer attitudes is crucial for business aiming to develop effective marketing strategies and influence purchasing behavior. Consumer attitudes are complex psychological tendencies that represent how individuals evaluate and respond to products, services, or brands. These attitudes are shaped by a combination of emotional response, cognitive evaluation, and behavioral intention. And from Disney perspective, the collaboration between Disney and Miniso served as an opportunity to reinforce brand visibility and reach a broader demographic, particularly among Gen Z and young millennials who are key Miniso customers. The collaboration benefits both parties by combining Miniso's strength in fast-moving, design-forward retail with Disney's strong brand equity and storytelling. Consumer attitudes. First is affective or feeling and emotion. One is emotional connection. Consumers who are fans of Disney may feel a stronger emotional connection to the products available at Miniso through this collaboration. Two is positive association. Disney characters often evoke feelings of nostalgia, happiness, and fun. And the second is cognitive or beliefs and perception. One is functional value. Consumer may perceive the collaboration as adding value to their shopping experience. Products might seem more unique, higher in quality, or more collectible. Two is enhanced experience. The presence of Disney themed products could make the shopping process feel more entertaining and enjoyable. Three is brand synergy. The alignment of Disney's global reputation for storytelling and quality with Miniso's affordability and accessibility could lead to a perception of a smart, beneficial partnership. The third is behavioral or action and intention. One is increased visit. The novelty of limited edition or the merchandise may drive more frequent store visits, especially from collectors and Disney enthusiasts. Two is word of mouth. Excited customers may share their experience or purchases on social media or recommend the collaboration to friends and family. Three is purchase intent. The emotional and perceived value might encourage impulse buying, especially when consumers encounter their favorite Disney characters on appealing everyday products. Emotional and cognitive factors. Emotional factors. First is nostalgia effect. Disney has a powerful emotional hold on many consumers due to childhood memories, iconic characters, and storytelling. This nostalgia can create a deep emotional pull, making people more likely to purchase Disney-themed products at Miniso not out of need but emotional connection. Second is positive brand association. Miniso is known for its affordable, trendy, and cute lifestyle products, while Disney brings magic, quality, and imagination. Together, they form a blend of joy and accessibility, making consumers feel good about buying not just for utility, but for emotional satisfaction. And the third is emotional triggers in store. Visual display, theme music, and packaging with familiar Disney characters can trigger spontaneous emotional reaction leading to impulse purchase. Cognitive factor. First is perceived value and utility. Consumers evaluate the functionality and quality of Miniso products. If they believe the Disney collaboration offers not just cute design but practical and high quality items, their attitudes become more favorable. Second is understanding of brand synergy. Knowledgeable consumer may recognize that this partnership isn't just for aesthetic, it could also mean limited edition, exclusive design, or co-developed products, which adds to the value. And the third is informed decision making. Shoppers who are aware of the benefits like affordability, quality, and collectible appeal are more confident in the purchase decision and are more likely to recommend the brand to others. Loyalty and purchase decision. First is repeat purchase behavior, like brand familiarity drives loyalty. When consumers who already have positive experience with Disney and Miniso, they are more likely to repeatedly purchase collaboration products and perceive exclusivity. If the collaboration offers limited edition items, it can trigger collector behavior, where consumers return frequently to seek out new or exclusive design. And the next is category crossover loyalty. Like Disney, fans who don't usually shop at Miniso may become new loyal customer, and Miniso loyalists may become more engaged. And the second is impact on brand loyalty, like strengthening emotional bonds. This collaboration deepens emotional connection. Fans feel their personal identity and preference are recognized and perceive value synergy, like when consumers see two brands they trust working together, it enhances credibility and reinforces trust. And the last is shared identity and lifestyle alignment. If consumers see the collaboration as aligned with their values or lifestyle, they are more likely to stay loyal to both brands as they feel a shared identity. Next material is about Fishbane's multi-attribute attitude model. First one is beliefs about products attributes like design, affordability, and brand prestige. Second is importance weight, like young consumer or Gen Z may prioritize design and collectibility. Budget conscious shoppers might place more weight on affordability, and parent shopping for gifts may consider brand trust or Disney and product safety. And the third is overall attitude formation. If a consumer believes that Miniso X Disney products score highly on important attribute, for example, for the design, price, and brand appeal, then their overall attitude toward the collaboration will be positive. So the next is methodology. I want to tell you about the method that I used to gain the information about the Miniso X Disney collaboration. This study used a research approach to look at how consumers feel about the collaboration between Miniso and Disney. For this research, the main method of data collection was an online questionnaire shared through Google Forms, and the respondents for this study were individuals who voluntarily participate. The questionnaire was developed using the ABC theory of attitude and Fishbane multi-attribute attitude model as a foundation, divided into four key sections: demographic question, affective items, behavioral items, and cognitive items. The age is the dominant for 15 until 25 years old, representing the primary market segment for both Miniso and Disney. And the brand preference, most respondents express familiarity and positive sentiment toward both Miniso and Disney, suggesting a strong potential for emotional and cognitive segments. So here are the summary of respondents that I get from the Google Forms. The first question is, how often do you visit Miniso? And the most frequent response is rarely, which is I got the 48.9%. And the next question is, do you know about Miniso X Disney collaboration? And the most frequent response is yes. And I got the percentage is 77.8%. And the third question is, how do you know about this collaboration? And the most frequent response is banner or Miniso itself. And I got the percentage about 50%. And the fourth question is, given example of an item you have purchased from Miniso X Disney, and the scale option is essay, or if you haven't purchased anything, put strip. And the most frequent response, the answer strip, which is I got the percent about 51.1%. And the last question is, what made you purchase the Miniso X Disney collection? And for the scale option is essay, or if you haven't purchased anything, put strip. And the most frequent response is strip, and I got the percentage is 54.9%. 5%. So the conclusion is this study looked at how consumers feel about the co-branding collaboration between Miniso and Disney by using the ABC theory of attitude and Fishbane's multi-attribute attitude model. The results show that the Miniso x Disney collaboration successfully creates strong positive reaction across the emotional, thinking, and behavior aspect of consumer attitudes. Combination of emotional and rational evaluation had a big impact on how consumers behave, highlighting the importance of both feelings and logical thinking in building brand loyalty and purchase decision. Overall, the Miniso X Disney collaboration not only increased short-term excitement but also helped grow stronger loyalty to both brands, proving that a good co-branding strategy can lead to long-lasting brands relationship. Okay, that's all about my discussion about my report of analysis of consumer attitudes in Miniso X Disney collaboration. Thank you.